Hi there, this is Linus with Chessly. Today, we're going to learn how to set up a chessboard from scratch. Before we start with actually setting up the pieces, we need to make sure our board is orientated the right way. For that, make sure both players have a dark square in their lower left corner. If your chessboard has coordinates on the side, make sure white has the A1 square in their lower left corner. Now, let's set up the pieces on the chessboard. To make it easy for you, we're going to set up the board from the perspective of white. Simply mirror all the pieces on the other side of the board for black. We're going to start with our queen. Place her on the white, middle square of the back row, like shown here. Now, the white king takes the position right next to the queen, the dark, middle square. The two bishops get placed right next to the king and queen in the back row. The knights occupy the squares directly next to both bishops. Both rooks complete the back row with their placement in the corners. All 8 pawns are now placed in the row above. And that's how you set up a chessboard correctly in under a minute. Make sure to check out the written form of this article on chessly.com and leave a like on this video.